guide you to share YouTube channel link on phone. So let's say if you need to share your YouTube channel link, so you need to go to the YouTube, and from there you need to tap on your view, which is your channel in the right side corner. After tapping on that, you need to tap on your channel, view channel. From there, in the very top, you could find the settings. I could tap on that. Here, I can tap on the share icon. Here, I can share my channel to these options like Instagram, Facebook, Gmail, and Facebook groups. So let's say if you need to copy that link, you can copy here, and from there you can share it to whomever you want. Let's say I'm going to the Instagram now and tapping on here, and let's say if I need to send this to this person, I can go over there and tap on that, and after that I can give it a send. This is how you can share YouTube channel link on phone. Thank you.